All right, so I just got the Adafruit Monster Mask, and I was just putting it together here, and I thought I'd do a quick video so you could see the difference between just the flat eye and what it looks like when you have this lens that you can buy as an optional piece on. And not sure you can tell that well in the video, but it makes a huge difference. Like, the eyes are very cool in and of themselves, but it just gives like so much more of like a 3D effect to it. Yeah, so again, not usually something I pick up the little extras or whatever, but in this case I did, and I'm very glad that I did because I think it makes a big difference. Let's see, it looks like it's got, yeah, it's touch sensitive in the center here. And then I also picked up some of these thermal camera breakout boards that I think there's a couple, just ready baked code to upload and put it together to have this, I think, follow the heat wherever it goes so that the eyes follow you. But main thing I wanted to show is just how much better it looks with that lens on there. So, all right, hope everybody's having a happy Halloween, and we'll see you. Thanks. Bye.